There have been a ton of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application, however up to this point, none have figured out how to break into the standard. STEPN, a Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that. STEPN utilizes a double symbolic framework. The first green Satoshi token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one green metaverse token, or GMT, is an administration token. The last option is the cryptographic money we will be checking out in this cost gauge. Kindly note that our GMT token cost forecast doesn't comprise venture exhortation. If it's not too much trouble, consistently do your own exploration prior to putting resources into any digital currency. What is Green Metaverse Token? Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the administration badge of a wellness application called STEPN. Its primary objective is to support a sound way of life and advance eco-neighborliness. The application permits clients to procure awards for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT shoes. At the hour of compassing, it was one of the most well-known wellness applications on both Google Play and the App Store. STEPN offers an entire large number of elements that are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and beginners. The application contains a whole biological system of cryptographic money-related items that will permit novices to draw in with STEPN without downloading any extra applications. There is an in-constructed wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Moreover, what separates STEPN is its emphasis on intelligence and in-application gamification. For instance, clients can step up their NFT tennis shoes and mint shoes. There are additionally numerous social intuitiveness choices. The GMT token is primarily utilized for administration purposes inside the STEPN application. It can likewise be singed to get to certain elements like shoe redesigns. At last, it is likewise used to decide on choices concerning the dissemination of marking rewards. Who founded STEPN? STEPN was helped to establish by Jerry Huang and Yan Rong. The previous is a deeply grounded game engineer, while the last option is a crypto private supporter and business person. The task has a strong group brimming with industry veterans and experts, and has banded together with probably the greatest players in the crypto business, similar to Binance. GMT Historical Price Analysis. As GMT is as yet a somewhat new digital currency, it's hard to foresee the future value patterns of this token. In any case, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some knowledge into how GMT might act from here on out. In view of past execution, we can expect that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending after some time as additional clients start utilizing this stage. The GMT token has proactively had a couple high points and low points since its IDO in March 2022, and its market cap is right now found solidly inside the main 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT token has crested at $4.11. STEPN, Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of STEPN costs expected in 2022, the base expense of STEPN will be $1.85. The most extreme level that the GMT cost can reach is $2.10. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.92. STEPN Price Prediction August 2022. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of STEPN and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $1.60, while its most extreme can reach $1.78. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.67. STEPN Price Prediction September 2022. In view of the examination of the expenses of STEPN by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least GMT costs are normal in 2026. $1.85 and $1.68. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.74. STEPN price prediction October 2022. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of STEPN. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical GMT cost will be around $1.81. It could drop to at least $1.75, yet it actually could reach $1.93 all through 2026. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of STEPN. It is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.86 during the year. STEPN price prediction December 2022. Digital money investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the STEPN's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme GMT cost of $2.10. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $1.85. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.92. STEPN price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of STEPN in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of STEPN will be around $2.71. The most extreme expected GMT cost might be around $3.28. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.79 in 2023. STEPN price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of STEPN, in 2024, GMT is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $4.10 and $4.65, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4.21. STEPN price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of STEPN and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its greatest can reach $7.16. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $6.24. STEPN price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of STEPN by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least GMT costs are normal in 2026. $10.44 and $8.75. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $9.07.